Hi, this is Zachary Lind, Instructional Technology Integration Specialist working at the CNY RIC at the Ithaca City School District. Today I want to show you a helpful feature of Google Drive that can help teachers particularly, or anyone working within the Ithaca City School District to access documents from any mobile computing device. So, as most of you hopefully know, there's a Google Drive linked to your ICSD domain name. So if you go on, you log in, and there should be instructions available. If you have questions, please contact us at the Instructional Technology Department on the technology subheading on the school website or district website. But anyway, you go to your drive, and on your drive you can really save any file or document, and you can have folders, and I use this for my different work files and folders. But there's another helpful feature about Drive. And let me just show you what it is and then show you how to set it up. Let's say I'm working on my Mac, which is what I'm on right now, and I'm just creating a document. This is a test document for Google Drive. So let's say this was much longer than the 6 words that it is. What I might want to do with this is save it so I could access it at home. Take today, for example, there's a 2-hour delay. Maybe you wanted to get some documents ready, but your computer's back at your desk at school, but you have access to the internet at home. Here's something you can do so you can access files from anywhere. So rather than just hitting save and saving it to, say, my documents, I can actually save as and save this folder to my Google Drive on my hard drive. What this allows me to do, see, I could go to Documents. In this case, I'm going to go to Google Drive. This is a test document for Google Drive. Hit Save. And what you'll notice is, and after saving it, in a few minutes, this will actually come up in your Google Drive folder. I'll search for it in just a minute to show you. So here's what you would do if you want to do this. And you can save video files, you can save PDFs, Word files, PowerPoints, really any file on your computer, any curriculum document, any student data information, IEP documents, whatever you can save. This is considered FERPA compliant if that's a concern. But what you do is you go to Google and you should just search download Google Drive. You're going to get a page that looks like this. For me, it's on Mac. You click download. It'll take you through the download process. If you have any questions about that, please contact us. Once you download it, you're going to have an icon in your Finder called Google Drive. You open that up and you'll get a little interactive button here. And what this allows you to do is you decide which account you want to connect it to and what folders you want to sync that are in your online drive with your computer. And then you just go from there. It's very simple and very easy. What's nice about this, a feature that I appreciate, is that if I'm, say, at a meeting and I want to pull up a document but I don't want to open my computer, there's Google Drive on any mobile device that you might want. You can have Google Drive on your Chromebook, Google Drive on my iPhone, and you could have Google Drive on an iPad or tablet, and so you could access any of those documents, look at them, and again, it doesn't have to be a Google-based document, but this allows you to have access from anywhere that you would like. If you have more questions on this or would like any sort of trainings from it, please contact us at the Instructional and Technology Department or contact me directly at, I'll just write it here, zach.lind@icsd.k12.ny.us. Thanks for taking